we are headed to the Amazon. I cannot wait, even though, to be honest, I'm also really nervous. But it should be amazing. We're going to be there for 4 full days, 3 nights. Yay! Good morning, everyone. I am officially in the Amazon. You're going to be able to hear all the sounds behind me. We arrived here yesterday evening at about 8 or 9 p.m. We slept in hammocks last night, and then we just had breakfast here with a makeshift fire that our guide Carlos, who's very good, made for us. There's a group over there. Say hi, guys. We're just getting ready to go now. And then that's where the fire was, where we cooked both, well, I should say Carlos, cooked both dinner and breakfast. We're just finishing our coffee now. So it's an interesting start, I'll be honest. I haven't slept much because I was pretty sure I was going to get eaten alive by some sort of animal in the jungle. But I'm still alive, day 2. So yeah, I think today we're headed out to do another trek. I'm going to try and capture a bit more footage because yesterday it was just too dark when we actually took off. I'm conquering plenty of fears while I travel. Another one is certainly the animals. But anyway, I will try and show you guys a bit more as we take off this morning.
Entonces, esta es la forma de la comunicación nosotros los indígenas también cuando íbamos a la casa de un abuelo o a otras comunidades indígenas para que supiera de que va llegando gente.
So you tend to leave your boots on the sticks, and this way you can make sure that no animals get in. So we actually hung up some like this last night just in front of our hammocks, so we didn't wake up with a snake or a tarantula inside. And there's a house machete and the local house of the tribe. We're off to walk. So guys, we are in the middle of our hike now. Our guide is trying to see if he can spot a tarantula down there, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to film and show you a bit of the rainforest. We are just gonna hike for about an hour and a half. We had lunch and I'm avoiding the mosquitoes as much as I can, but hopefully we'll spot a tarantula anyway. It's a nice sunny day. It's humid, of course, but not too painful. Okay, I think we spotted a tarantula. We did find a tarantula, but he's just hiding in that little hole there. We're trying to get him to come out. He's not up for it.
La tarántula, ella expulsa un cabello para su protección, para que no la ataque. Ella expulsa el cabello. Y si el cabello te entra en el cuerpo, te da un desespero, se te hincha la mano y comienzas a rascarte, y entre más te rasca, más te duele. Mírame, aquí me cayó un pelito.
So we are taking a break in the rainforest, as you can see from all that rain. I'm talking really close to the camera because the rain is really heavy and you guys won't be able to hear me, but my God, it's pretty cool here. And I'm so happy to take a break. I am drinking hot chocolate and chilling out for a minute. This latest update on today, we are at the top of a tree house, which was no easy feat to get to the top of. They had a sort of rappel, I think it's called, that you can take and actually climb up with a harness. And we're going to be sleeping in this crazy tree house in the middle of the Amazon jungle. So that is pretty cool. So we're just about to have dinner, and it's already dark because the sun sets early here. I think they're just arriving. And then we're gonna crash out. Okay, good night, because I probably won't film anything else. It's a bit too dark. And I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It is day Gosh, what day is it? It's day 3 of our Amazon adventure. I couldn't really do any content this morning though because it's been raining. It was raining pretty intensely when we actually came down from the treehouse. Today we're going to be doing a lot less trekking. We're going to be on a boat and we're going to see the pink dolphins. I can't wait. And we actually have beds tonight, which is very exciting. Time to head out. Our bags are packed and we're good to go. This flower is called the flower of the toucan beak. Pico de Tucán. So beautiful and stands out against the green so much. Guys, so we are standing in the middle of the Amazon and I just wanted to show you these insane trees. There are so many incredible roots, but this one in particular, if you look closely, you can see it's completely covered in spider webs all the way up. And yeah, all of it. So we're actually in Brazil because the town that we're in, well, it's the border of Brazil, Peru, and Colombia, but we're going to be staying overnight in Brazil, which is a nice surprise. Just caught a piranha. It literally took her like a second.
You just wanted me.
That was so good.
Back? Should I put him back?
¿Listo?
¿No se puede comer?
Sí, lo vamos a comer hoy.
We're gonna eat it.
No.
Yeah.
¿Estás grabando?
Sí.
I feel so bad.
No, puedes pasar,
Sí.
puedes pasar.
Entonces, esta es la piraña, una de las pirañas más bravas de la Amazonía, porque hay 3 tipos de piraña. Hay de la blanca, hay de la amarilla y hay de la rojo con negro. Esta piraña es muy brava, si te llega a agarrar el dedo te lo quita.
A ver.
Porque tiene unos dientes muy afilados.
Oh my gosh.
La cogiste de un ojo, güey.
That's the teeth of the piranha. Look how insane those are. It can bite your finger off if you get too close. Well done, Courtney. First catch of the day.
Gracias.
We are on the boat, currently caiman hunting. I'm not too keen on it, I'll be honest. But we're trying to catch a caiman after we did the piranha fishing. But in the meantime, we've had bats flying overhead. You can actually see all the bats just flying. It's crazy. And then just looking at the sky, the stars are coming alive, so it's really quite a moment, I must say. Really beautiful out here. So there he is, the caiman. Oh my god, he's just a baby, and apparently that sound is him calling his mom. Wow. Okay, we're gonna let him go now, back into the water. Here's Carlos yet again, just catching caiman left and right.
On the daily.
On the daily, baby.
Go, puts his hand down and gets 5 caiman.